Hello guys, it's your boy Kili Paul here, and it's another beautiful evening and I'm home as usual. So today we're gonna be like reviewing like one of the famous songs I've been hearing this whole week. It's been playing, like I've been seeing it everywhere, and it's a very beautiful song and I really like it, and I'm gonna be making a reel very soon on it. So yeah, and today is beautiful day. It's been raining and you can see how the weather looks like. Yeah, so the woods got the rain. It rained on the woods, so today Nema won't make fire. It was raining, so it rained on the woods. So today Nema will not make the fire. I don't know how she'll be making that. So, and she always cooks outside. It's our kitchen here. That's our kitchen. So I don't know, but yeah. All in all, be ready. We're gonna be reviewing one of the famous songs. I've been hearing it. So guys, as I told you guys, we're going to be reviewing one of the famous songs. I've been hearing it for the whole week. It's been playing around and I love the song. Yeah, so I think it's from Pakistan, something like that. Yeah, so I love the song, and it goes like Kahani suno, zubani suno, mujhe pyar hua tha, ikrar hua tha. Kahani suno, zubani suno, मुझे प्यार हुआ था, इकरार हुआ था. That's the song. So yeah, I love that song, and it's like, I don't know, there is a feeling like it's so beautiful. This song is so amazing and I love it, guys. So yeah, it's just gonna be like, this is the like we're trying to create something like we'll be always taking like a minute to appreciate the beautiful songs of the weeks and trending songs, and maybe if it's possible then we're gonna be doing like, we're gonna be playing them on the band section. So yeah, guys, stay tuned and we love you guys, and that's what we wanted to review. I hope this makes you happy. So until next time, guys, love you so much. Mwah. Bye bye.
Bamba pole masti me jole, bamba pole masti me tu jole, bamba pole masti me jole, bamba pole masti me tu jole. अल्लाह मछलियाँ क्यों देखता नहीं, ओ छोटू ओ सोना, एचो सूरज and काले का and आई. मैं जो jina Emile K, niko mtu wa South Africa, napenda nchi yangu sana tu sana, basi na gusa tu pale kusurprise niko pale. But देखा मेरा नाम अमीन, जैसे मैं सोई काम करता